Still a very rough beach out here. Very rough surf. Full of debris up on the beach. I'm just going to go and find a gutter which I located the other day. It's about 100 meters up the beach here. And hopefully pull out a couple of salmon for you on camera. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. I'll start by apologising for the wind noise. Strong wind out here today and a big surf, as you can see over here. Big surf and very choppy out there. It should mean the salmon are coming in close to pick up any debris or bait or whatever. As some people call them, they are a bit like the rats of the surf. See how we go. Hi everybody. Jakey's here with me today as well. He's having some fun, enjoying the time out on the beach. We haven't had much time out on the beach because it's been quite rainy on this holiday. But today's been a bit of a welcome clear in the weather. Jakey, you want to say anything to everybody?
I want to catch fish.
Yeah, we all want to catch some fish. Alright, well here goes cast number 1. Double Paternoster with those new sinkers I got recently. Gemini, made by Gemini. There'll be a link in the video description to where you can get some if you're interested. They are what I would call, in my own words, an anchor type of sinker. Anyway, cast number 1, bombs away, a couple of bits of pilly into the rough ocean. Here we go. Wow. Crazy stuff. You got a big clump of weed or a fish? Let's find out. No, we got a fish, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's just a massive clump of weed. Come on. Oh, geez, these rough seas aren't making this easy. What do I got? Is it weed? Is it a fish? Oh, we got a big fish. We got a big one. Now don't come off in that wave. Yep, we got a big one. Woohoo! That's a good salmon. Look at him. Woo! Wow, it's a good start. First cast. Using these new sinkers again, these Geminis. I'll leave a link to where I got those sinkers from. There's a few companies doing them these days, but I'll let you know where I got them from. So yeah, cast number 1. Big seas today, so got to be a bit careful out here. I wasn't sure if that was weed or a fish actually. So cast number 2. Hi everyone. Today's a special day. I'm out fishing in memory of my dad. I found out recently that he passed away, so I'm having a session in his memory. Not even sure what that means, but I'm out fishing, doing what he taught me to love. Let's see if we get a few. Now, we started the session first cast with a nice sized salmon, must be around the 50 centimetre mark. It's probably as big as they get here on the East Coast, as you would have seen from some other videos. I think given the swell is how it is out here, if you can have a look at that, there should be a few salmon in close, chasing whatever debris and bait that's getting washed in. So hopefully today's a good session. If you're up there, Dad, if you're listening, I love you. Yeah, buddy.
Look, what's this? Oh,
You're covered in sand.
Dad's gonna be standing the donkey today for sure.
no, not good.
Where are you going? Hey, don't sit down on the sand. Look at your butt. So for there's me and my dad. He loved to drink. This one's for you, Dad. Cheers. Until we see each other again. Love you, Dad. So we're on our fourth cast in this session for my dad. Not really dominating, but we got that one big salmon on the first cast. Just enjoying some time, salt air, salt breeze, relaxing. In recent times, my dad's always been saying to me, you know, it's not about catching the fish. It's about enjoying that time, relaxing, spending time with yourself, more or less. In today's terms, probably self-care. Something my dad really should have done a lot more of in his final years. Dad, thank you for everything. Thank you for your lessons. See if we can't get ourselves another fish or two. Again, apologies for the sound. Now, I know this video is probably a little weird for some to watch. It just felt like the right thing to do. So I just expressed myself as usual, and thanking my dad for everything he's done for me, my brother and my sister, and my mum. Thank you, Dad. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. If you liked the video, hit like as usual, and if you want to see some more, please hit subscribe. See you next time.